Thanksgiving and Christmas will be here before you know it, which makes fall the perfect time to upgrade your living spaces. Here with some perfect do-it-yourself projects on Fox Square is home contractor Skip Bedell. Skip, welcome.
Hey, thanks for having me back.
Awesome, and we're going to start with some wallpaper. I am fascinated by this stuff because it's peel-off.
It really is. This is amazing. So this is Wallpops. They're the leading name in peel and stick everything. So this is treatment for the walls and specifically for wallpaper. So no glue, no more messy water and glue on the wall. You simply peel and stick. You can peel it off with leaving no damage on the wall. It's easy to put on, super easy, right? Look how easy it just peels off. And you put it right back up. The best part is there's no damage to the wall, so it's great for renters even who want to do a beautiful facelift on their home, get ready for the holidays, spruce up a room, and then you can take it off if you need to.
Is it expensive?
This is super. In fact, you wouldn't believe how affordable this is. If you go to my website, skipbedell.com, there's all kinds of promo deals on there and different things going on, but super affordable, and it's really the fastest way to decorate your wall.
Also great for people who change their mind a lot like me. If you get bored with the style, you just peel it right off.
You can upgrade your room basically in like a weekend. You can give the whole place a new facelift.
Exactly. Thanks so much.
Forget the wall. It's all about
the floor. That is what stands out.
Same company, Wallpops and Floor Pops. These guys are masters at the peel and stick. So these are peel and stick vinyl floor tiles. This is the fastest way to a new floor. Basically, you peel and stick it. They're water resistant. They're easy to use. You don't need any mortar or ground or tile saws to install them. This is like redo your floor in one day.
So my wife says I cannot do anything home improvement, but you think I could actually do something like this? I promise
you, if you can peel this off and stick it on the floor, you can do it.
Wow. All right, I'm going to work on that and send you over to Ed, who's going to take you to the bathroom.
You got it. All right, let's talk about bathrooms.
Why the producers left me in the bathroom?
Well, you know, this might be a sign.
Yeah, it might be. Let's start with these fans and lights and things.
So Broen is the #1 name in bathroom fans. And, you know, we've all looked up and the fan is looking a little ratty, it's tired, it's time to change it, right? Or maybe there isn't a light on it. So this is the 5-minute grill upgrade. It's basically less than 5 minutes. You can pull your old grill off. This snaps back up in place, but the type of plug that it has on makes it easy to give it an LED light upgrade. So if you don't have a light on your fan, now you have one. A simple 5-minute installation. It also comes without a light built into it, so it's very easy to give it that fresh new look in your fan. Now this is something really cool. They actually make one. This is a Sensonic. This has a built-in Bluetooth sound system. So when you're in the bathroom taking a shower or brushing your teeth, you Bluetooth your music through your phone.
Really?
And now you have tunes. Now awesome sound quality coming out of
now,
this.
I know you're, diplomatic, said you're in the shower. You also might use the toilet seat at some point.
We would hope that at least once a day, you're using the toilet. So, but no one likes to do the cleaning, right? So keeping the bathroom hygienic and the cleaning.
And Bemis has this snap-on, snap-off.
Bemis is the #1 name in toilet seats for design and colors and options. So this is the Push and Clean and the Affinity. Both of these are very easy to remove. So this one just mounts onto some pins. You basically push it down in place. When you want to take it off, you pull it right off. It makes it very easy to clean the toilet. Also, this one is the Affinity. It slides on, so basically it slides into place. They have a whisper close, which makes it really nice, so it's not a slamming option, pinching your fingers. And they also have a super grip fitting on the bottom, but it keeps it in place.
Skip, appreciate it.